Hello, you're here today with Maxwell Warner showing you how to make a 3D dog man. So, I'm going to start off with the head. I'm going to cut this out. I'm on this hat right now. That's just my little brother. Don't worry. You can skip ahead or pause it to make your characters, or to make the body parts of your character. Alright, I'm almost done here. Alright, so there's Dogman's head. No! And then the body here is made out of 6 popsicle sticks. And I just hot glued them together and then did the logo. So, yep, I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, so my hot glue gun's almost ready. While we're waiting for the hot glue gun, I have to use the hot glue gun for everything. I thought I had Craftsman. Okay, so my hot glue gun's ready. Now we just need to glue a line right at the bottom of, I'm running out of glue. I'm gonna go get more glue. Mom, can I have more glue for the hot glue gun?
Sounds good. You know where this one's in? It's in that little bin underneath the desk.
We still have one.
We should have like 10 things left. Is this something you're going to be able to finish in 5 minutes though, so we're leaving it? Max, are these your dirty socks on the thing? Honey, they are your socks. On the table? Right here, there's socks laying on the table.
Okay. Sorry for the wait. There. Alright. Here we go. So we're going to make a line right on the bottom. Right here. You probably want to leave your hot glue gun on a piece of paper. There. Just hiding a smile a little bit. That's it. Alright, now just wait for a little second, and while we're waiting, let's put the feet, well the shoes, onto the legs.
the washer.
Ooh, that hurts. So this one will be the right one. So this is what it should look like. And then the other one will go like this. No. My sword always comes in handy. Sometimes. Barely though. Alright, so now our body and our head should be done just like that. Now let's connect the hands. Got two hands here. One shorter than the other, but it's something. So we're going to face it backwards this time. And then we're going to glue the arm instead. It's a lot of glue. Ooh, hot. Push it down with my stethoscope. Now, let's see here. I made all of the body parts yesterday. Well, I didn't make them. My cousin did, technically. Oh, gosh. Okay, so now we should wait for a couple of seconds. And it should be done. My next video will be how to make a picture frame. So if you have any requests about which picture frame, I'm going to put 2 pictures in it. So if you would like a picture frame, they are $3 to $5. 3 for small ones and 5 for humongous ones. So I'll show you the humongous ones later. Alright. So right now this is what it should look like. Kind of cool, isn't it? Alright. Now for the legs. Ah! Dang it. I glued it to the paper. Alright, got one leg. He's going to be kind of long. No. How about go up? Sorry. A little quite big of a reaction there. Just burnt myself. But that happens a lot. I glued my shirt to my arm once and I burned my arm once, so I'm used to it. Alright. Let me look at this guy. Ooh, man, he looked good. And that's what it should look like. Thanks for watching, people. See you on my next video. Bye.